Hello everyone! Today we continue working with the dress with dolman sleeves and side details instead of the side seams. I'm making the dress tighter at the bottom for about 1 by 5 centimeters. This is how the side seams look like now. Next, I need to draw the side details. I need a ruler and a pencil. This is the waistline, and this is the hip line. First, I need to draw a line down from this point. Next, I need to draw a princess seam to connect these two points. There should be a tuck here. I didn't draw it. I need to move it here. It should end a bit above the hips. Next, I need to outline the side details. These are the checkpoints. You can see that the technique is not complicated. The design is very simple. I love it. I want to see dresses made this way on the streets. Now I can cut the side detail. I'll sign it before doing it. Front side detail. I think that this line should be changed a bit. I'll make it bias. I remind you that I made the dress 1.5 centimeters tighter at the bottom, so the side seam is bias. The front side detail is ready. I needed to know where the checkpoints were to do it. I need to cut the tuck. This is the point where the side detail should be attached. Match the waistlines to do it. Very nice. This is how the sleeve will look like. Next, I need to do the same thing with the back detail. After that, I'll show you what to do next. This is a dolman sleeve, and this is the side detail. Now I can move on to the back. You can make the sleeves wider if you want. In this case, the checkpoint can be moved further. I want you to understand that there shouldn't be any opening here in the dress. I remind you that I moved the checkpoint a bit to be able to make the sleeves wider. Now I can start drawing the side detail. First, I need to connect these two points. Next, I need to draw a straight line down from the checkpoint. I need to make it a bit biased down from the hips. This line is a bit biased, so a new one should be made biased as well. Next, I need to draw a tuck here. Now I can start cutting the back detail. I'll sign that this is the back side detail. The side detail is ready. I need to cut this tuck. This is the back detail, this is the dolman sleeve, and this is the side detail. Next, I need to move the shoulder dart to the back neckline. The techniques are very simple. This is the back with dolman sleeves. This is the side detail. The waistlines match. The pattern for the back is ready. Let's get back to the front. Have a look here. These darts should be moved here. Make a new opening and close the original dart. Have a look here once again. You can see that the opening is pretty big. This is absolutely the same dart. You may not believe that. Have a look here. If you open this dart, the width of the opening on the same level will be the same. I'm showing you some very useful techniques today. The design is amazing. I show you techniques I use myself. It took me years to come up with some of them. The front is ready, the back is ready, the side details are ready. Next, I need to make a pattern for the center front detail. I want it to be at least 2 cm wide at the top. It will be hard to insert it other way. It will be 14 cm wide at the bottom. So I need to measure and mark 7 cm on each half. I'll measure and mark 1 cm here. I remind you that I'm making a pattern for the detail on the center front. This is how its half will look like. It will be 2 cm wide at the top and 14 cm wide at the bottom. The center front detail will make the dress match the necklace perfectly. Do not forget to sign the waistline on the detail. I'll also sign that there should be a fold on the center front. I will put the pattern on the fold of the fabric and cut the 2 layers at once. I need to sign that this is the center front. Don't be afraid to use your imagination. Combine fabrics and colors. This is the pattern for the center front detail. This is the front with dome and sleeve. This is the front side detail. These are the back and the back side detail. Waistline should match in all the details. Do not forget to mark it on the center front detail as well. The pattern for the dress is ready. Next time I'll show you how to cut and tack this dress. The most complicated moment is inserting the sleeves in the armholes. I'll show you how to do it. Do not throw patterns away. Make such dresses of different colors. You will always look different and beautiful. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.